Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. In this 2-minute trading tip, we'll be talking about how to immediately fix some of the most dangerous risk management issues that you have in your trading. So first, let's establish what are the most dangerous risk management issues. There's two of them. The first one is blowups or excessive single-day losses. So potentially losing an insurmountable percentage of your account in a single day or in a week. The other issue is over-leveraging or applying too much size. So using too much size relative to your account size and the stop required for the product. So let's say you're a 6-lot trader and you decide for whatever reason you're on tilt today and you decide in your next trade that you're going to put on 24 contracts. And in this case, you're probably breaking both of these rules where you're over-leveraging your position size and you also are at that level of an excessive single-day loss. Now, obviously, both of these errors are a result of discipline issues, and discipline issues take a long time and a lot of effort to fix. Fortunately, both of these errors can be fixed immediately before you make any improvements to your discipline whatsoever. So what's the easiest solution to the most catastrophic risk management issues? Broker enforced max loss and max position size limits. Nearly all brokers have the option to apply a max daily loss and a max position size to your account. If your broker does not offer this feature, you should really consider looking for another broker. So let's say, for example, that you have a $10,000 account and you let your broker know that you want a daily max loss of $250 and you want a max position size of 6 micro contracts. Immediately when you pass the $250 loss threshold, you won't be able to take any additional trades until emailing your broker to unlock your account. So you've just instantly mitigated this risk of eliminating 15% of your account in a day or 20% of your account in a day by just contacting your broker and letting them know to set up risk parameters that you will be auto-liquidated if you violate. Keep in mind that you're not limited to the upside. We're only limiting our downside risk per single session. So give your broker a call or an email today and immediately eliminate your opportunity to commit one of these major risk management errors. If you've enjoyed this 2-minute trading tip, please do us a favor and go ahead and hit that like button. And for more trading tips, subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications.